Okay.
Hey, Elmer. Good to see you with us here today.
Well, I thought I'd come and see the kids at the Sunday school.
Well, yeah, I'm glad you came.
I heard you were talking about the Bible today.
Well, yeah, we are talking about the Bible today.
I can say the books of the Bible, you know.
You can?
Yeah. Can I tell? Can I tell you?
Yes. All right, anytime you're ready.
Okay. Genesis, Exodus.
Wait a minute, Elmer. It's not Exodus, it's Exodus.
Exodus?
Yeah, Exodus.
Okay, I got it. Genesis, Exodus,
Leviticus.
why did Levi cuss?
No, Levi didn't cuss. It's Leviticus. Leviticus.
Leviticus.
Yes. Are you ready?
Yes. Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy.
Wait a minute. It's not Deuteronomy. It's Deuteronomy.
What?
Deuteronomy.
Deuteronomy.
Yes. Are you ready to start up again?
Yes, okay. Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy,
Joshua judges Ruth.
why did Joshua judge Ruth?
Oh, Emma, you don't know the books of the Bible.
Well, I try.
I know, but we're going to talk about the Bible. Do you know how many books are in the Bible?
Yes.
Okay, so I want you to be quiet while we learn about the books of the Bible, and we'll talk later, okay?
Okay.
All right. I guess I could just follow it.
Just like an old hound dog likes to lay around, I want to rest in the presence of the Lord. Just like a little old puppy wags his tail when he's happy, I've got the joy of the Lord. Oh, hallelujah, hallelujah, oh, hallelujah, Jesus is my best friend. Just like an old hound dog likes to lay around, I want to rest in the presence of the Lord. Just like a little old puppy wags his tail when he's happy, I've got the joy of the Lord. Hallelujah, hallelujah, oh hallelujah, Jesus is my best friend. Just like an old hound dog likes to lay around, I want to rest in the presence of the Lord. Just like a little old puppy wags his tail when he's happy, I've got the joy of the Lord. Hallelujah, hallelujah, oh hallelujah, Jesus is my best friend. Just like an old hound dog likes to lay around, I want to rest in the presence of the Lord. Just like my little old puppy wags his tail when he's happy, I've got the joy of the Lord. Oh hallelujah, hallelujah, oh hallelujah, Jesus is my best friend. Jesus is my best friend. Oh Jesus, well he's my best friend. don't you listen to him. Always say yes to God, no sin to win. Don't monkey around with the devil, don't monkey around with sin. Don't monkey around with the devil, just say no to him. Sin is the father of lies, so don't you listen to him. Always say yes to God, no sin